I got oil in my eyes or something. I hope this is worth it because my hands are killing me. Wow. Okay, that's big. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be oil cleansing using grapeseed oil. I am going to be doing this for 30 minutes. So why am I doing this? Because I am curious. I've seen so many people try this out on TikTok and my face is in need of deep cleansing right now, and I hope it helps minimize my pores and also get rid of some oil plugs and whiteheads and blackheads on my face. Cleansing method helps attract and pull out oil from the face, which means oil attracts oil. Also helps remove makeup, blackhead, whitehead, and also oil plugs. So if you happen to apply oil on your face and massage it for about 30 minutes, it helps attract and pull out all those impurities stuck in your pores in a very gentle and painless way. I saw videos on TikTok of so many people trying this out, and some got like really amazing results and some got terrible skin irritation. I pray that's not my case. So we are going to be trying this out. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and cleanse my face, take out, and if you have makeup, it is advisable you take out your makeup first before you do this, but I don't have any makeup on, so I'm just going to go ahead and just cleanse my face of all the impurities, my serum and all that. I'm just going to set my timer because I'll be doing this for like 30 minutes. I wanted to do this for like 40 or 45, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes. But for now, I'm just going to set my timer to 30 minutes. Okay. So timer set. Now let's get started. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the oil. This is very therapeutic. Like this feels so good. It's not even up to a minute yet and my hand is already hurting. My face feels like it is grainy and all that. Yeah. So it is 1 minute and I haven't gotten anything. So it's been 10 minutes and nothing. I haven't seen anything. I haven't seen any blackhead. I haven't seen anything. Okay. Right there. So it's 20 minutes and I got, look at, whiteheads. I was actually expecting more, but this feels so grainy. It feels so grainy, like I can feel it. My hands are already tired. Oh wait. Okay, so guys, another big one. Look at that. This is a big one. Yeah, I guess. Feels so grainy, like look. Wait. Look. So many whiteheads. So many whiteheads, guys. So many whiteheads. Look at that. Here, I was actually expecting that because hair is always having so many whiteheads, so I'm not surprised. Look. I'm actually surprised that I haven't gotten any blackheads yet because I just have 5 more minutes to go. Give me something. Give me something. Oh, another one. Another one. Another one. Oh, guys, look at. Wow. Okay, that's big. Another whitehead. 2 this time. 2 freaking big ones. Time is almost up. Give me some. Wait. Oh, another one. Don't know if you can see it, but my timer is almost up. 1 minute to go, and guys, look, I think I got oil in my eyes or something. Oh, I hope this is worth it because my hands are killing me and I just got a red eye. Look. And my timer is up. To be honest, I'm going to show you everything that, because I did not throw them away, I kept them here. Look, you can barely see it when I hold it up with my hand, so I decided to put them here, and I haven't forgotten the one that I have here, so I'll be putting that on the mirror because I can't just throw them away yet. This is like an experiment, so I just have to show you the end result. So this is what came out of my face, guys. Wait, hold on. Okay, this is what came out of my face. When I'm holding up with my hand, it's barely showing, and I'm sure you guys are not seeing it, so that's why I decided to put them here and show you. So this is all that came out in this experiment. I'm a bit disappointed because I was expecting more, but I'm just going to go wash this off and I'll be right back. What do I have to say? Like, my face is brighter than ever, and this is probably the smoothest my face has ever felt. Like, I don't think I'm having any skin irritation or anything like that. Hello guys, so it is the next day and this is the second day after oil cleansing, and I have a little bit of update for you guys. So first, the pores on my nose and on my cheek, I can say they look a little bit better. They don't look as, as visible as before. I think they are way better than before, so I can say that oil cleansing definitely minimized pores. However, it didn't get everything out completely, which I'm a little bit disappointed, because I think that is one of the reasons why I decided to do this oil cleansing. I think that is the truth and or reality about oil cleansing, because it is not going to completely clear everything out. And yeah, also this pimple I had here on my forehead, I also noticed that it has reduced overnight. I guess it's because it is now less visible, as you can see. I guess it's also because of the oil cleansing. Third thing I noticed is that around here, around my lips, and also on my chin, my whiteheads were visible, but now they are not. This is one of the visible results that I can say oil cleansing actually worked for this. So the fourth thing I can say is that I just woke up, I haven't taken my shower or anything, and my face is glowy. So I guess that is one of the things that oil cleansing does. It's actually makes your face more brighter and glowy. I know I have pimples and dark spots, I've been battling with dark spots lately, but my face is not all that terrible. Like, it's not it's not all that bad before. And I know I needed deep cleansing. I feel like this oil cleansing method actually helped a little bit with that. If you're watching this video and you're thinking you want to give this a try, go for it. I'm not discouraging anybody, because you might actually get better results than I did. And also, if you haven't given this a try before and you want to attempt it, I advise you try it out for just a little bit and see how it goes, see how it's going to work with your skin, because everybody has a very different, skin type, and we don't want to get any skin irritation. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you have tried this oil cleansing method before. Let me know about your results and everything, and also let me know if you're about to give this a try. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.